These are the owners of the Reed and Court Street parking garage in downtown Reading, Pennsylvania. These used to be Dover, but they got a modernization rather recently. Go to 6. Here you are at 6. And these are Scenic, by the way.
Floor 6. Going down.
Here we are at the concourse, the center level.
Floor C.
It says floor C. We're gonna send you up to 5.
Going up.
And we're gonna get this one. See how that one's doing, because prior to the modernization, these things ran horribly. Go up to 6, see how this one fares. Here we go at 6. There is the County Services Center. There's Berkshire Towers. This elevator does not talk. The other one does. They did a very nice job modernizing this elevator. Runs much better. Because prior to this modernization, these things were absolutely on their last legs. Here we are at C. Capacity 2,500 pounds, and that'll be